Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to export UV map in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use Money Suzzane for demonstration. So we can go to Add Mesh and add Money Suzzane here. Next, we can go to UV editing, and then we can find the UV layout. If we want to export this UV layout, we can go to UV and go to Export UV layout here. Click it, and then we can choose the file location, and then we can go to here. Make sure that we check the box or UVs, and then we can change the export setting. For example, we can change the file format, we can change the size, and we can change the UV layout opacity. I will keep it as default and export it. And then we can go to file folder. So double click the image, we can find the UV layout here. So this is how we can export UV map in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.